Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shehzad and today we are going to install web vulnerability scanner Vega on Kali Linux 2020. So let's go and we can start the configuration now. First of all, you must have a internet connection to your Kali Linux because as you know, like our previous videos, I have two NIC cards. One is for my internal testing and the second is for external. So I have connected my internet on this one, so I will keep connect. After installation we can then do some scannings. Okay, so let's go. I will uncheck my internal and we are going to connect also internet on this Kali Linux machine because we have to download some packages. I will go okay. So let's go start Kali Linux. I will click here on my Kali Linux. So it's starting. Okay, I will close one. Here we go. Uh, First of all, I would log in with my root user. So the root is right now. If we go, it's let me change the password because okay, I will say sudo wd root and okay, new password for root. Because I want to log in with the root, not with my account. So we have full privileges. So I will go and log out. And I will do now root login. So here we go. First of all, you have to download the package. I will go here and I will go web browser. So in the web browser, I will just type download Vega and definitely will go English, and you can see the first website subgraph.com. This is the official website for download Vega packages. So here you will click on download, and in the download we will come here and we'll download this one, Kali Linux. Okay, I will check again why it's getting okay. So we are here with the Kali Linux. I will click here and I will save the file. Okay, when it's downloaded I will open a folder. Okay, here we go. I will minimize this website and I will go here and I will right click and I will say extract here. So it's extracting. So I will do a little refresh. So the folder of Vega is here and I will come here and I will try to execute. Okay, so right now it's giving me error that this error, go and check. We will go in configuration and we will check the error. So it's, I want to show you the error is regarding Java. So I will show you. See, the Java is run version is 11.06. So we have to change this one. Again, we will come into our console. Okay, so here I will check Java version. So you can see 11.0. We will change the Java version here. So we'll go sudo update dash alternatives dash config Java, and you can see we have three here. So I will go this one, the Java 8. So we'll type a number 2, this one. So I will type 2. So see, right now star is there, this one is running 0. So I will bring 2, enter. Okay, change, mood is changed. So if you see now the 2 is our main. Okay, so let's do and run again. I will do right click, execute, and then we will see now the metadata log is coming. So now we have to install and change the path of the our repository. Let's go into cd/etc/apt/ and hit enter. Analyze. So see our this list, we have to change here some add some repository points. So I will go nano sources dot list. Okay, hit enter and you will be here. So I will come here. I have to add here. I will add deb http colon deb dot debian dot org slash debian space old stable main non-free contract. So this one, when you have typed, now for save of this file, you can hit Control O and then hit enter, or you can direct press the control and then press X. So it will bring you here, save modify buffer, and click yes, while, and then it will be saved. Okay. So one more thing, we have to do update now, and we'll check our that Debian link is receiving something. So we will go and do sudo apt-get update. Hit enter, and let's see if it is getting updates. Yes, it's getting updates. Fetching and waiting the package. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, let's go now on the same web page which you have opened and downloaded this one. So we'll go down and we have to run this command for the apt, this one. Okay, copy, come back in the PowerShell again, and then we will say paste the clipboard and hit enter. Okay, so do you want to continue? Yes. So it's installing our Vega. Okay, so as of now our Vega is ready. So let's see, and I will minimize, I will close this website, I don't need now, and I will go back again my place, download and in the Vega, and I will execute again. Here we go. So your Vega is ready for scanning. So let's try one scan here. Because Vega is vulnerability scanner, I have installed IAS on my one server. So I will change the edit settings now to bring Kali in my internal network. I will connect my server side, my VLAN, and internet is disabled, disconnected from Kali. And here we will see if we can ping that. I will go back and ping my server. Yes, it's receiving packets. So let's start and add one. If we come here in this start new scan and give a target URL or your server web server IP address and do next. It have some default injection modules and response processes module which is already selected out. So we'll go next and finish. So it will start scanning, auditing. See, 50% and 100% scan. So right now, because IIS is installed and it didn't found anything, and if you see our this one IIS page, so there is some websites on the internet for penetration testing, and there you can do a penetration testing. So this is our because I have only installed one, so there is no vulnerabilities and things, scan alerts, low, medium, high, and you can find it. If you are building your website, company website, and you gonna do a penetration testing on that website, so you can use this tool Vega, which is very nice for website penetration testing. So hopefully you guys like my video, and if you have liked, kindly press like button, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.